City were so deep in that game, they only had 33% position. Liverpool were there for the taking. Yes, Liverpool are leaking goals right now.
Always the bridesmaid and they'll never be the bride. It was basically Mikel Arteta saying that I would rather not lose at home.
It's only 5 games in. The result was perfect for us. I think you guys are right in the sense that Arsenal were not brave at all. It seemed like they were playing away.
I keep making this point again and again. United's two greatest seasons, 99 treble and 2007-8 double. In both seasons, United started very slow. That will not happen this time.
It's almost like another in the next episode of the Man United daily soap opera. I thought we played well. We scored our 2 goals and then Casemiro with a head loss, which by the way, I think this was Casemiro's, if I'm not wrong, 3rd or 4th red card.
We had an XG of 1.52. But most of our chances came after City went 3-0 up. The main issue we have is we do not have cohesion in the midfield.
He took a Brendan Rodgers side to the Europa League final. His next aim was to finish in the Champions League, which he did in the next season. And
Look, you're forgetting that Amorim hasn't even been here for a year.
for me, Klopp started producing results right away.
You do remember we did make the Europa League final last season, right? Have we just forgotten that?
On that depressing point about two United fans arguing about United finishing in the top half of the table.
That's going to happen between now and the end of the season.
Ekitike, by the way, is quickly becoming one of my favorite players. The other player who's coming good now is Gorgesh. In the Champions League also, we needed a last-minute winner.
Jack Grealish was playing like the old Jack Grealish. If there's anybody who's going to whine about individual awards, you know it's going to be a Barcelona fans. If Leo Messi doesn't win, I don't know, Philanthropist of the Year, they'll still find ways to bring it up and just talk about how he's got to do everything by himself. We questioned the entire selection process when Messi won the Ballon d'Or last time.
Or when he won the Ballon d'Or above Virgil van Dijk, that is the day I stopped caring about individual awards.
In 18-19, Messi had 51 goals and 50 appearances. Come on, Abhishek.
Van Dijk was by far the best player of the year that year. We went on and won the Champions League.
And Messi won the La Liga.